Hello! In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Set Duct Elements Reference Level command to correctly assign structural levels as reference levels for duct elements. We will cover two different approaches, one using the structural level directly, and second setting to filter. In Revit, we often work with two types of levels: building story levels, which represent floor heights for architectural purposes, and structural levels, which engineers use to define load-bearing elements like beams and slabs. In this project, our duct elements are currently assigned to building story levels. However, we need to reference them to structural levels to align with engineering requirements. For the first approach, we will set the reference level to the structural level without applying any specific filter. We start by selecting the duct elements and simply adding the structural level criteria. Then we click Execute to apply the changes. Now, when we check the properties, we can see that the duct elements have been successfully assigned to the structural level. This ensures correct coordination with structural elements in the model. Because the level name criteria should contain TOS and the level identity data must be structural, the command applies all the criteria and sets the reference level accordingly. For the second approach, we will set the reference level to the structural level while applying a specific filter. We start by selecting the duct elements. We already have structural level criteria. Click the plus button to add level names, contain value criteria, and enter the level name. Finally, we click Execute to apply the changes. Note that this command always selects the level that meets the specified criteria and is below the duct, rather than the closest level that meets the criteria. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.